Say it in English.
Simple future with will. Simple future is a verb tense. What's a verb tense? Verb tenses show the time that an action takes place. We use simple future to predict a future event. For actions that will happen at a future time. Later, next week and soon are some of the signal words. Here are 2 ways to express the simple future tense in English. We use be plus an ing verb to talk about existing future plans. I'm visiting my friends next Friday. We use will plus a base verb to decide on a future action at that moment. We will watch a movie tomorrow. How do we form the simple future with ing form? We add be plus ing verb to an appropriate subject. Time words in the sentence, such as next week, next year, tomorrow, later, and soon, make it clear that the action is not happening at this moment. Look at these examples. We are going to the movies tonight. She is leaving to London tomorrow morning. They're playing table tennis soon. He's riding his horse later. How do we form the simple future with will? Will is a modal. Modals are always followed by a base verb. What's a base verb? Look at these verbs. A base verb has no ing or s or ed ending. So here play is a base verb. The verb form is the same for all subjects. I will play tennis. You will play tennis. He will play tennis. She will play tennis. We will play tennis. They will play tennis. My friends will play tennis. Sarah will play tennis. John will watch his favorite TV show soon. He will help his mom after school. They will see each other next weekend. We will play online games after dinner. He will tutor a class this afternoon. The students will learn about volcanoes today. Let's review one more time. I will text you tomorrow. I am texting you tomorrow. We use will and a base verb to decide on a future action at that moment. But we use be going to and a base verb to talk about existing future plans. A contraction is a shorter form of a word. The contraction of will is L. We use contractions with subject pronouns, but not with subject nouns. For example, I'll hang out with my friends in the afternoon. But Sarah will hang out with her friends in the afternoon. You'll be busy next Monday. But Sarah and John will be busy next Monday. She'll give a presentation in a week. Mr. Adam will give a presentation in a week. Look at the picture and make a simple future sentence with will. Use contractions with singular pronouns. Great! John will give a demo of the company's new alarm system soon. Great! We'll go to school tomorrow. That's it. She'll study in the evening. Excellent. Ted will drink coffee in 1 hour. Excellent. Sarah will feed her dog in the morning. Now, let's get to negative simple future with will. The negative form of will is won't. Won't is always followed by a base verb, and it's the same for all subjects. I won't play tennis. You won't play tennis. He won't play tennis. She won't play tennis. We won't play tennis. They won't play tennis. My friends won't play tennis. Sarah won't play tennis. Let's make some negative statements with will. For example, John won't give a demo of the company's new alarm system soon. Nice. We won't go to school tomorrow. Good job. She won't study in the evening. Great. Ted won't drink coffee today. You got it. Sarah won't feed her dog in the morning. This is the end of this video. Thank you for watching.